What if I told you there are objects in space so powerful they can bend light, warp time, and make even Einstein question reality? These cosmic monsters are called black holes, and they're about to blow your mind. A black hole isn't actually a hole at all. It's a region in space where matter has been compressed into such an incredibly tiny space that gravity becomes unimaginably powerful. Imagine trying to compress all the mass of our Earth into a sphere just 9 millimeters across. That's the kind of density we're talking about. But here's where it gets absolutely mind-bending. Black holes have an invisible boundary called the event horizon. Cross this line, and not even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can escape. You'd be trapped forever. And if you fell in, you'd experience something scientists call spaghettification. You'd be stretched like a piece of spaghetti. But black holes aren't cosmic vacuum cleaners. They don't suck things in. If our sun became a black hole right now, Earth would keep orbiting normally. So how do these cosmic monsters form? Most black holes are born when massive stars, at least 20 times heavier than our sun, die in spectacular explosions. When the star runs out of fuel, gravity wins the ultimate battle, crushing the star's core into a singularity, a point of infinite density. But not all black holes are created equal. There are stellar mass black holes, intermediate black holes, and the absolute giants, supermassive black holes. The supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy, Sagittarius A star, is 4 million times more massive than our sun. And here's something incredible. In 2019, we actually saw a black hole for the first time. The Event Horizon Telescope captured this historic image of M87's black hole. What you're seeing is the shadow of the black hole surrounded by superheated gas glowing at millions of degrees. But perhaps the most mind-bending part about black holes is how they warp time itself. Near a black hole, time literally slows down. If you watch someone fall into a black hole, you'd see them slow down and freeze at the event horizon. Their image redshifted until it fades away. Black holes can also act as cosmic lighthouses, shooting jets of particles nearly at the speed of light across thousands of light years. These jets are created when magnetic fields around the black hole accelerate particles to incredible energies. And here's something that sounds like science fiction but isn't. Black holes eventually evaporate through something called Hawking radiation. But don't worry about them disappearing anytime soon. A black hole the mass of our sun would take longer than the age of the universe to evaporate. Scientists think black holes might be the key to understanding some of the universe's biggest mysteries, like dark matter and the nature of space-time itself. We've even detected gravitational waves, ripples in space-time itself, when two black holes collide and merge. These cosmic collisions release more energy and gravitational waves than all the stars in the observable universe combined. And here's something that'll make your brain hurt. What's inside a black hole? Honestly, we don't know. And the laws of physics break down. At the center lies the singularity, a point where density becomes infinite and space-time curvature becomes infinite. Our current understanding of physics simply can't describe it. Some theories suggest wormholes, others predict information paradoxes, and some think they might be doorways to other universes. What we do know is that black holes are absolutely essential to galaxy formation. Almost every large galaxy has a supermassive black hole at its center. They help regulate star formation and shape the structure of entire galaxies through their incredible gravitational influence. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, hidden out there are objects so extreme they challenge everything we think we know about reality. Black holes, the universe's ultimate mystery, pushing the boundaries of physics and our imagination. What do you think is inside a black hole?